Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Jay. Hi, I'm glad you're here. I'm a little bit late getting this one out, but this is the monthly mojo tag for November. So I don't have 3 prompts this month. What I have is, and what I want to talk about for this month's tag is, what's your favorite drink for the fall? So that's what the tag is all about. My favorite drink from the fall. And you know how we are when it's time to get together and be ready to have your favorite beverage for the fall. Like you can't wait. Like for me, I can't wait to get up in the morning and get myself ready for work and then be on my way to ride to the coffee place and pick myself up my pumpkin spice latte. I love a good pumpkin spice latte. And if I'm running late at work, we have the little coffee stands there where you can pick up your pumpkin spice latte. This is my favorite time of the season because I can get that pumpkin spice latte. I'm really happy about having it. So there's my little background there. Now, what I did was I have these little cups, and I think most of us have probably gone to the dollar store and picked up. We went to the dollar store and we picked up these wooden pieces with the coffee drinks on them. So you can make these into whatever kind of drink you want. I chose to have the pumpkin spice latte inside with the whipping cream, and I used glitter paper to signify the whipping cream. And when we also went to the dollar store, we all picked up these little gnomes from the dollar store there. So we all picked up the little gnomes. We picked up the coffee cups. And so we're all prepared to make our favorite coffee beverage, our favorite hot beverage. I know some people don't have hot chocolate until this time of the year too. They get ready and they get all their hot chocolate, because I remember last year I wanted some hot chocolate and I went off to the store to get the hot chocolate, but I couldn't get it because it was all sold out. Hot chocolate was all gone. There was no hot chocolate on the shelves. I was like, what? No hot chocolate on the shelves. So there was no hot chocolate on the shelves. And one of the things about this season, when you have your beverage, is that you're grateful and very thankful for all that happens to you and for you during this time of the year. There's a lot for us to all be grateful about. So we have our pumpkin spice there. I'm going to add this little leaf here that says cozy. I'm going to add that there. These are some donuts, some little breakfast donuts to put on here. I want to add that to it. I want to add another leaf to it down here. I want to get my little mojo tag ready. Let's see what else I want on here. I think I want another leaf or so. So I want some more leaves on here. And we all have these dollar store leaves that we've all acquired at some point in time. So, and I'm going to use, I love that, and may I say, Crafter Square has sure stepped up their stickers. I decided here that since I'm having my pumpkin spice latte, I'm going to put me a slice of pumpkin pie there. I'm going to put that there. I'm going to throw some more leaves in here. Let's have some more leaves falling. There we go. Get all the leaves off here. Uh-oh, that one doesn't come off. I think that's all the leaves on here that come off. So then, I think that's all I got then. Oh, wait, here's another leaf because I want as many fall leaves for the month of November. September, November is filled with leaves and things. Just the beauty of the changing of the weather. Let me see if I like that pie down there. I don't think I like the pie there. I don't think I like the pie. So I need to find one more thing, put the pie back, because I might use the pie later. What else do I got here that I can put there? Because that spot is not quite filled with something for me, and I need something there. Maybe I'll just stick the acorn there. Okay, so there is my monthly mojo tag for the month, and it has my favorite drink, pumpkin spice, in a nice mug with whipped cream on it. So since this is already, let me try something really quick. Let me see if I put a little glossy accents on it. If I can get my glossy accents to come out. See, that's the thing. When I think of stuff to do, the glossy accents, but it's not going to come out. But if I put my glossy accents on it to make this be a little bit more dimensional, so I'll probably think about doing that. But for now, this is my tag for the month of November. It's my monthly mojo tag. And let's get some ribbons in here so I can get that finished, get my ribbons in. So I'm going to put that one in there. I want to put, let me see if I can get them all through at the same time. I want that one. Do I have any more ribbons that I wanted to go through here? I thought I had a brown one. That's the only thing. When your desk is a little bit of a mess, it's hard to find your little ribbon that you had. I thought I had a brown one, but I just have these two. So I have a yellow and this one. So I want to tie my ribbons in. Oh, I'm stuck on my hand. I want to tie my ribbons in for the month. Put them up like that. Have them up there a little bit. I don't know if I like the yellow. I don't think I like the yellow. I don't think I like the yellow. I thought I would have, but I don't. I don't like the yellow, so I'm going to take the yellow out. So I'm going to take the yellow out, and I'll just have the orange. So, can I do a little weird bow thing? A little weird bow. Okay, my weird bow thing's not even working. Let's just leave it like that. I'll have to fix that. I don't like it. I gotta fix it. But I'm not gonna make the video any longer by fixing it. But I'll fix it in the picture that I post. Here we are, our monthly mojo tag. Monthly mojo tag. And there we are. So pumpkin spice latte. My favorite beverage. If you make one, tag it monthly mojo tag, and say what your special favorite beverage is for the fall. Thank you, everyone. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also, press that subscribe button and subscribe. I'll be doing more craft with me, and I'll have some more videos to share. Thank you for joining me. Be the reason somebody smiles. Stay safe. Love you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye now.